This one that stands in our midst, when he opens his mouth through the preaching of the word of God, and when the scriptures are read, he speaks for God, and we hear the voice of God in our very hearing. This is why there comes a time in our life when one day, be it very, very young or very, very old, one day we hear the word of God and it just sounds different. Some of you know what I refer to. One day you were hardened in your sin, and it was just some stuffy minister sitting at the front talking. And then one day you sat down and the word of God echoed in your heart, and you heard Christ like many rushing waters